Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Welcome to my new warehouse space. Today is August 10th and this is my shop update. So as usual, I have been busy. I've been doing a lot of things and this is probably one of the biggest things going on right now. I have been looking for a warehouse space for a long time and I moved in this week. So the new warehouse space is going to be the space for all of the products. So chair kits will live here, bench kits will live here, and lumber will live here too. As you can see, the chair kits have already, some of them have come over. All of the inventory for those will come over as well. So a quick update on the chair kits for everyone who ordered. I sent out an initial batch of 6 orders to see how packaging went. Those are being delivered this week. I am getting in half of my inventory this week. So hopefully over the weekend, we'll be shipping those out and getting them all prepped to go. So that's all gonna happen at home because I have all of the shipping supplies there already. Just easier to fill all the boxes and everything at home. And then all of the fulfillment stuff will move to this building. So if you've ordered chair kits, the shipping date is gonna be coming pretty soon. If you ordered in the first week at least, your stuff will be shipping next week. So look for that. I'm pretty excited. So this is the big thing. It's 2,400 square feet is what it is. So I have from that pole to that pole. This is sort of a shared kind of space. So from the pole to the pole, the wall to where you are, 2,400 square feet. Some perspective on the size of this. My shop at home, which is everything in the shop is staying there, is 400 square feet. If you take the shop, my driveway, my storage shed, and all the lumber storage behind the shed, that's about 1,200 square feet. So this is double what I'm currently using at home. So big upgrade. So a lot of big things are going to be happening here. I have a lot of things planned in the future as well. So look for that. Let's head back to the shop and see what's going on back there. In case you're wondering how well lit my shop is, these are the exact camera settings that I had back at the warehouse. And the warehouse, by most people's standards, is well lit. Okay, so the dressing vanity has come a pretty good ways since the last time I showed it off. So you can see the main case is all complete. I've got most of the drawers made for it. I have the little boxes up here that go up top with their little tiny drawers all made as well. And I'm working on the last main drawer here, which is the one that I'm filling for the instructional series. So I have a couple more dovetail joints to go on this one last little drawer here, and then I need to make a mirror frame to go back here, and then throw this thing on some legs, and this bad boy will be ready for some finish. For the legs, I'm thinking I'm going to do some tapered splayed legs, fairly simple clean lines to kind of match the look of the rest of the piece, especially with this bevel detail on the front edge. I think that's pretty cool. So I've really been liking this. This has been a fun little project. A lot of waterfall joints. Everything in here is mitered. It's a lot of 45s. Lots of them. So this thing will be over in the guild as my next instructional series, and this one will be coming out all at once as one big block instead of the series over several weeks that we've done in the past. So this one will probably be over there maybe by the end of the month or early September, something around there. So look for that. It'll come out in the guild around the same time as the summer video will be here on YouTube. So dressing vanity thing. Let's go out back. So a big thing happening out here in Lumberland, that sounds funny, is the inaugural log for the new trailer. So this is the first log that I went out and picked up with the trailer. My friend Brandon was doing a removal job, and this is a white oak log. It is 36 inches at the top of the cut, and it splays to 52 at the base, and it's 11 feet long. So it's pretty hefty, very good sized log. So this thing's gonna make some pretty awesome lumber. The trailer performed amazingly. Like, I knew it would pick it up just fine. It was the comparison of picking up something so heavy and getting it onto a trailer that's actually designed to carry that kind of weight. So my weight distribution was right where it needed to be. It towed down the road perfectly. and it was a very nice and calm experience compared to what I'm used to. So we'll have a video here in a couple of weeks on the first log going onto the trailer, the full removal and the pickup and bring it back here. And then the last trailer video is ready to go very shortly as soon as they get that one finished up and ready to go. So we'll be bringing that series to kind of an end and then jumping into the actual use of the trailer. So that is most of what I've been up to. Let's take a look at some viewer projects. First this week are a pair of laptop stands by Matt. The stands raise the laptop to be at the same height as the external monitor, and Matt also added a design feature to allow him to store his wireless keyboard when he's not typing. The first one he made was out of curly cherry and poplar. He painted the poplar a flat white and finished the cherry with 3 coats of armor seal. The second stand is made out of slightly curly hard maple and black walnut. Next this week is a Sawmill by Tom. This is Tom's take on a bandsaw mill that operates like a chainsaw mill. It's made mainly from aluminum with a 2 horsepower electric motor driving 17-inch band wheels from a record bandsaw. The depth of cut is set by an adjustable runner on threaded rod and sliders. It has a max depth of cut of 9 inches and can cut up to 30 inches wide. Tom says it's still very much a work in progress, but he couldn't wait to cut a few slabs. Next is a laptop desk by John. John made this laptop desk as a birthday present for his wife, who has been working from home. She loves the mid-century modern aesthetic, so he tried to capture that with the angled top and tapered and splayed legs. And also chamfers. Lots of chamfers. The legs are held in place by dowels, and there's a center brace with multiple dados. The metal support, made from a coat hanger, rests in to hold the top at an angle. Last this week is a nursery side table by Joshua. In their nursery, they have a small space next to their rocking chair for a table. Joshua told his wife he could make one of those. So he started with cardboard, moved on to SketchUp, and then the real thing. The table legs are a mix of hard and soft maple, and the tops are made from white oak. Joshua has a video over on his YouTube channel covering the build, so you definitely want to check that out. Joshua's also, probably by now, a father of 3. So congratulations, Joshua. Welcome to the club. So that is about it for me this week. Lots of other things going on as well, but you'll see more of that very soon. So thank you as always for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments about anything I talked about today or anything here in my shop, please feel free to leave me a comment. As always, be happy to answer any questions you might have. And until next time, happy working.